Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Oh, it is June 23rd. It is another day that the stock market's open. Another day we're all live here, just kind of witnessing things. Hold up. YouTube's looking a little funny right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's why it was looking funny. Move this up. My issue, good morning. Says good morning. Hope y'all had some good weekends. It's been a very interesting weekend news wise. Kind of wild, actually. Oh, let's fix this too. Get this going over here. Frank, top of the morning, Grand Rising. Like press, appreciate you. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, shout out to the 4 people that came through, smash like. We open in like 12 minutes. Yeah, very interesting weekend news wise. Here, let me, what is it? What's it called? Oh, derive. And good morning, Big Reg, top of the morning, C Smooth, top of the morning. Hmm. All right. Yoko, top of the morning. All right, so I'm over here looking. It's pre-market, so it's not as valid, but I'm over here looking at Derive, and I see an AMD swing put, and this is actually something I was like kind of looking at a little bit. I would expect a pullback on AMD because what is it? They kind of, I mean, they haven't like fully triple topped, but like up here on their RSI, they kind of got 3 tops. They look like they're ready for like a little pullback. I might try to see where it goes and snag something. Hey, Shaquille. Hey, good morning. Hey, let's get it. Hey, the bread, that's what we come for. Here, let's see. I'm gonna check the news right now real quick. All right, let's see. Tesla debuts driverless Model Y robo taxis in Austin. Let's see what the news is with that. Where's Tesla? Tesla's up like 1.5% on the day. Tesla launched its robo taxi service in Austin on Sunday using about 10 driverless Model Y vehicles with Tesla employees as safety monitors. General News, good morning, good morning. Hold up, I think we had some, what's this, tomorrow? Also, yeah, heads up, 15 minutes in the market open. We have flash manufacturing services, or PMI, and then we have existing home sales at 9 a.m. as well. So 15 and 30 minutes in the market open. See. Service operates daily from 6 a.m. to midnight in a restricted South Austin zone and uses unsupervised, improved full self-driving system relying on cameras only. Elon Musk stated that a flat fee for what just happened? Elon Musk stated that the flat fee for rides is $4.20, and praised the launch as the result of a decade of work while emphasizing a flat safety approach. It's going to be a news filled with yes. Yeah, it's going to be a news filled week and like speaking of Iran and like that whole situation. Apparently like the reason that we hit the base was to kind of like destroy like all their like whatever they were doing with all the uranium and whatnot. But I guess because of like Trump's warning beforehand, they had the time to move it. So what we were trying to achieve by doing that wasn't even necessarily achieved. So yeah, I would expect things to heat up more. It's crazy. These curve top in the morning. Good morning. Happy new week of success. Yeah. Another week of success on the way. On the way. Just gotta kind of roll with the punches. Definitely gotta roll with the punches. Christine, good morning. Dwight, good morning. Yeah, we destroyed 3 bases. That was so yeah, that's what we destroyed the bases, but apparently like they moved their nuclear materials before we did it. So apparently like what we were trying to do didn't even like happen. Gold and oil focus. Well, those will for sure be what's going up. Me personally, I'm gonna stick to the same old, just because I'm trying to get the get the stuff. But yeah, gold and oil will definitely be moving the most. Oh, very welcome, General News. Very, very welcome. You help make my mornings and give my mornings some purpose. Here, I'm gonna drop to start lowering to the 15 on some time frames. Might see if can catch a short on AMD potentially. So here we came in. Wait. So boot. Oh, hold up. So we ran up. Okay. All right. Here, let's look at it on a 1 hour. I don't know. Okay. Back to like a 15. SPY to 570. Guess it depends on what time frame you're on. I think the first level I was looking at beyond here is going to be like 585 or so. That support. I mean, we still have this gap to fill to 577. Oh, and another one to yeah. So yeah, I can definitely see it pulling back to that. Just might take some time. Or maybe it doesn't take some time. It just might just kind of get ripped off or get like rip out of nowhere. I wonder if they really moved it or if it's a bluff so they don't have to. Hey, we'll have to see. Hey, we will have to see. I don't think it's over though, so it's like bluff or not. I don't know why they would bluff if they don't have it to cause more destruction to their country, but hey, it is what it is. Natasha, good morning. What candlestick do you use? I think just regular ones. Let me see. Yeah, they're just called candles. And like if you're talking about like what time frame, I use a lot of time frames. Like if you look at these up here, these are the time frames. The M is for minutes, the H is for hours, and we got day, week, and month over here as well. So anywhere as low as a minute all the way up to like the month. George, good morning. Here, let's pull up. I held one call over the weekend. APLD, what are your thoughts on it? I like the idea of picking up for upside at 8. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we lose this level of support right here on APLD. But I like the idea of grabbing it at 8. He said HIMS is down big. Okay, Tesla's already testing that resistance, the pre-market resistance. It's still pre-market, so I guess it's just pushing it, but oh yeah, HIMS. What's going on there? Nordodis terminates Kadesh. Or Novo Nordodis terminates collaboration with HIMS and hers. This is probably I'm not gonna like chase this, but this will probably create a buying opportunity. So yeah, if they wanna, here, let's see. Okay, so they do have a fair value gap to at least this, at least the 41.59 area for fair value gaps. No, yeah, they got a fair value gap to like 29. Elgin Boom, top of the morning. Gato, good morning. All right, so we're getting ready to open. Let's see what the market gives us to start the day. Here, let's also. All right, Tesla's pushing. Okay, we got a lot of stuff doing a lot of things actually. Let's go back to the 15. So yeah, I'm gonna give the market some time to kind of like settle, do its thing. Here, what's that other? Let me also mark this up here as well. I think I might want to short AMD. For sure if it gets up here. I'm not sure if I want to like look at this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to get this fresh liquidity, but up here I think I do. All right, it expires July 18th. Hold it, buy dip, paid 30. All right, MSense, the only thing I'm gonna say to that is, hey, try to stick to your plan. Make sure you remember why you got into play, because it's like sometimes I find I'll make trades like that and they won't even they'll end up playing out, but it's like I'll be down on it for so long and I just see green and I'm just like, oh, what just happened? I'll see green and I'm just like, oh, hold up. Oh, okay. I'll see green and I'm just like, oh yeah, let me get out of this. I'm ready for it. Veronica, good morning. Kareem, good morning. Here, let's see. Wait, hold up. Where did I just see that? Okay, let's see. All right, what is July 3rd puts? Okay. Let's also take a look at good news coming out at 10 a.m. Here, what was that again? Existing home sales? Is that what you're getting at? And are you saying 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? Let's see. Delta. Okay. Dang, all my alerts are kind of getting hit right now, or at least the pre and post market levels. Yes, existing. Yeah. So yeah, we got flash manufacturing PMI that comes out in like 12 minutes, and then yeah, we have existing home sales. Oh, dang, Tesla ripping. Here, let's go back to a 15. But yeah, Tesla ripping to start the day. All right, the Qs is at support. So this is either a good point to buy a call for the morning, or here, actually, let me look at my account real quick. Oh, I forgot about that circle. I'll give that one some time. Letitia, good morning. All right, Tesla pulling back. AMD pulling back to the trend line. See what happens here. I still feel like we push up from here, push higher, but we'll have to see. Crazy, we've kind of got like a decent amount of movement just from these first like 5 minutes. Definitely some money to be had today, to be made today. But I'm not trying to wait around and just guess. I gotta see what they're gonna give us, what they're gonna do, what the play is, what script they're gonna run. Dang, UNH is sitting like right at 300. All right, so right now, that low we just made looking like it could be liquidity, but we'll kind of have to see. Because there was a little liquidity right here on the SPY, little on the Qs, little on AMD, little on Apple. I don't know what's up with him. Well, I do know what's up with HIMS. I think I might want to look at something else aside from HIMS. Quick check on SoFi. Liquidity on SoFi. Tesla just popping off. Yeah, we're pushing back up. A lot of buyers right there. Check in on Hood. Hmm. That's through URC, top of the morning. Hope you had a good weekend. Whole weekend was very hot for. Oh no, yeah, I know exactly what you mean by that. Yeah, I was burning up. I went swimming yesterday though. That was nice. I heard Trump said keep oil prices down. In Truth Social. I don't think oil prices are going to stay down. That's my thought. He might say that, but no, I feel like prices are going to push up more. But I don't have a degree in economics, and I didn't really. Oh, not my strong suit. So that's just my feeling. Oh dang! I got a hole in my pocket. Remind me not to put any money in here. Yeah, my whole finger fits in there. But you know, Trump said a lot of things, so wouldn't necessarily take his word for everything. But if he says now is a good time to buy stocks, that's the only thing I'm like you'll see me like rush towards now. All right, so AMD still pushing up. This must have something to do with Iran threatening to shut down the strait. I was watching XOM. It's dipping. It might be a good idea, or it might be. I think if anything, if it's dipping, find you a good level of support. I think it's an opportunity. Oh, it's selling off, but it's like we still got this gap to fill to at least 115. Mostly affects China. Appreciate that input, Philip. Yeah, cause honestly, I don't know all that. That's why I kind of just stick to what I know for the most part. That's why I'm not like too heavy on like oil and stuff like that. Yeah, still want to see if AMD can get up to this little arrow up here though. Might want to slide it down though. There we go. All right, SPY pushing up to resistance. We get the what is it? PMI and yeah, we get PMI in like 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. Bought a small 15 call on SoFi for 2 weeks out. Here, let's see, SoFi. Uh, right now for me, SoFi can go either way. But glad to hear you're up. Yes, they had the Hims had the partnership with Nordisk, and they are dropping. I think it's just a buying opportunity, but we'll see. Being patient to see how this market reacts. Don't know if I want to do calls or puts. I think we're gonna push up, grab some liquidity, and come down. I'm specifically like watching AMD. Like I think that might be what I try to get, cause it's like AMD. We did kind of do our thing with it over here, but I do think we will come back and fill in this. Wait, we'll say gap to at least. Or actually, there's a gap down to like 116.50. I think we'll come back for that. So I don't need to be in for all that, but I would like to grab them for a swing. Wait, being patient to see how this market reacts. Oh, wait, okay, I already said that. All right, should see an overall drop of 6 to 10%. Historically speaking, after the events on Saturday, how long it takes? No, yeah, it's like also like yeah, is it gonna start in the middle of the day? Are they just gonna make it happen like while we're sleeping? That's the hard part. And then Henry, good morning, good morning. Hey, shout out to the 38 people that smashed like. Hey, if you can hear the sound of my voice and you have not checked in, said what's up, smash the like button, anything like that. Hey, make sure to like scroll down a little bit on the video, find that thumbs up button, interact with it somehow. It'll do a little dance or some give you some sort of exciting animation. Appreciate y'all, family. Okay. Okay, pushed up to 52. I see the family is strong here. Yeah, don't want to end up in El Salvador. I think we really had a fight on Friday. I think it came down to the wire. All right, so AMD is a above resistance now. No confirmation or anything, but above the pre-market resistance. Do you think Hood is coming to 80 or we'll see a pullback? Let's see. I didn't look at it through that lens when I was looking at it. So right now it's still in this range. You said back to 80? I mean, I could see it grabbing this liquidity over here before making a move down. So I could say it's possible. Right now, Robinhood's in a tight range. It does have a large move, but I would say all this is still within kind of way. It's honestly like if it weren't for everything else going on with the market, I would expect this to just kind of continue just casually just kind of moving up, honestly. AC, good morning. Michael Jackson, okay. Anyone watching Exxon? We had glanced at it for a little bit. I think it has a gap to fill to a little below like 115 or something like that on Exxon. That's not exactly what I I watch on a regular. But yeah, right now it's like I'm just kind of get in on pullbacks for this one. Friday was a struggle for likes. Lurkers were very strong, very strong. All right, let's see, let's see. Um, I think also like I think I reminded people too late. Friday was a little bit of a headache for me too. Like I went and drove somewhere, and then yesterday was the first day I really experienced annoyance. Or not yesterday. Friday was the first day I really experienced annoyances with like the whole Tesla supercharging situation. I went to supercharge. This place had like so many like stalls and whatnot. I pulled up to like three different ones, and there were people at like pretty much all of them. And bro, it was crazy. Like I plugged my car in, went into the store, got some like snacks and stuff, and only to see like, oh, hold up real quick. Yeah, only to see my Tesla had charged like 2%, and then it said something like the rate was like slowed because of the amount that were there. But like, I don't know, some people they were getting like full charging speeds, but I had moved like I spent too long there. It was just wild. I'm like, yo, this has never happened. All right, so we got spy up. Wait, hold up. We got the data. Hold up. I didn't even. All right, let's see how that data came in. All right, so flash manufacturing PMI came in a little above expectations. And yeah, they both came in a little above expectations. We still have existing home sales in about 11 minutes. So I guess that's the next thing we look forward to. But as for now, still pushing up on the SPY, pushing up on the Qs. Honestly, I see these as opportunities to kind of grab downside. Like one thing I was saying, so y'all know how I drew this ugly kind of, I wouldn't call it like the most perfect, but these kind of trend lines on the SPY on Friday. And I don't know, it's like we're kind of below it, but we're still, right now it looks more like we're respecting this upper one as opposed to this lower one, because we've kind of like just cut through it with the body. So I wouldn't be surprised if we break resistance. Here, let me actually add an alert on the trend line. Come touch the trend line. And then that would be kind of like our high point, and we sell down from there. Amanda, let's go. Nvidia creeping up, hoping it can break. Here, let's see. Let's take a look at Nvidia. We'll see. We'll see. Honestly, I'd be surprised if it could break 145, but it's possible. Bullish on all my time frames I'm looking at right now. I would assume those are lower time frames. Cause it's like everything up to a certain level. It's like, yo, it's kind of doing this thing. It's kind of bullish, but also it's like there's liquidity lurking. So I feel like there's a turnaround on the horizon. HNGE. Is the new hymns heard it here first? Let's see. Oh wait, this is a 15-minute. Okay. So it looks like they started trading May 25th. Okay. I'll just add it to the list. Let's see. I'll like watch it over time, see how it does. APLD, anyone watching? We had what just happened? Let's minimize this. Oh, hold up. Can I get my other? Okay. Yeah, APLD is just consolidating right now. They did like pull back, but I would honestly expect them to pull back some more. All right, so SPY is at that pre-market resistance level. They're pretty close to the trend line. Honestly, I might go for something small on the SPY. Let me look at that. I kind of want to sit down. Here. Oh, we still got like, what is it? Still got like 6 minutes till data. Let me just look at my options and see kind of my options for options should I decide to make any moves. It's the delta on that. Wait, we're up here. What's the range? Oh, that's a solid move. I only need. Okay. Kind of like that a little bit. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can push up a little bit. All right. You said I agree. Feel a reversal about to happen. Hey, I'm hoping so. A little bit. What's up, fam? Good to be back. Hey, happy to have you back, Jay, folks. Took your advice and took some time off after my Tesla win. Keep changing lives. Hey, keep getting the bread, family. I hope you enjoyed your time off. Charlene, good morning. Is SPY call? So if you're looking for like the confirmation break, if you're looking for like the breakout, it wouldn't be a breakout until you get confirmation above here. So no, I did say like earlier that it was sweeping liquidity, like around here, around like 594. That would have been a good area. But also, we had this over here. But no, it's like we could get a breakout, but honestly, I'm looking at the idea of getting puts here momentarily, potentially. So that's just where I stand. But yeah, if you're playing a breakout after like within the next like I guess 18 minutes or so, if you confirm above the line, That would be when you got calls on the SPY. Just playing that breakout strategy. Up 25% on GLD call. Hey, that's more than your 10% right there. Some good stuff right there. How did I find the demand zone? So I didn't even like look for the demand zone with the Qs. I just looked at I was looking at the this was support as well as also there's liquidity here. Is there a demand zone here? Let's see. So maybe there might be a demand zone on like the 1 hour. But when it comes to like just there being liquidity and whatnot, do have a video on that. Let me see. Where is this video at? Has it been that long? Oh, here we are. Yeah, it's been like 5 months. All right, so when it comes to how I found that, it's the strategy in that video I just posted. It's like that's like the easiest money setup that I see all the time that I kind of trade. You're very welcome. Oh boy, got a phone call. Miss whatever you were saying. Anyhow, I'm in an Exxon call. That could, honestly, I feel like depending on how long you hold that, one day you'll wake up and you'll just be up like big on that. Honestly, depending on how much time you got M cents. That's my thought. All right, so we're pushing a little bit. We got data in like a minute, actually a few seconds. But it'll probably come out a little late, so it might be like a minute. All right, so let's see. Are we going to push it? Are we going to push here? All right, so we're pushing a little bit. My order keeps not getting filled. All right. So I bought a SPY put. And it expires, I want to say on the 14th of July. It's a 585 SPY put. And I think the expiration is the 14th of July. I'm about to alert the family and then we'll kind of get into it. And I paid $3.31 per share. Oh no, it's not the 14th of July. It's the 7th of July. I think it's 14 days till expiration. So I'm down on it now, so it's cheaper, but let me kind of blast that out to the family. Let's see. That's so annoying. Just grabbed a 585. Was it 585? Yeah, 585 SPY put expiring. What is it? July 7th. Paid $3.31 per share. SPY's still trying to push up right now a little bit. Okay. All right, let's see. Where is... Okay, that's not working. Gotta type it again. Just grabbed a 585 SPY put that expires July 7th. Paid $3.31 per share. There we go. Okay, let's see. Picked up some SPY calls and sold out early, but my profit was 80%, but would have been over 100 now if I would have waited. But I see, hey, nothing wrong with that, Kareem. Nothing wrong with that. So SPY is getting a little oversold here, or overbought here. It's getting there. It's not quite there yet. Honestly, like, I feel like worst case scenario, SPY pushes up to 6. But I feel like that's worst case scenario. So I feel like I'm chilling where I am. Let's see. Wow, Tesla really doing this? Yes, it is. That it is. Honestly, like I don't even know. It's like I guess it's just the narrative. They only have 10. Oh, now it says 10 to 20. The other article said 10, but using 10 to 20 self-driving Model Y vehicles. I don't know why they can't give an exact number. It's not even like that high of a, no matter how many it is, it's not that high. They can give us an exact number. And yeah, he is, honestly, if you're taking those rides today, only $4.20. That's like what I was paying for some of the Ubers in Portugal when I was there. I know the prices have definitely gone up more since I've been there, but it's like, yo, that's what I was paying for the Ubers in. What do you guys think of the B2 market bombers? Are those people? Are you talking about the people who dropped the bombs this weekend? If so, I'm like, oh, that's crazy. I was like, I saw so many memes about it. Honestly, it seems crazy to me a little bit, like how all this stuff is just happening, and now it's like before when you saw this stuff, it's like we didn't have the internet, and like I guess you didn't find about the information as fast and like as like almost as casual as we do now. It's like now it's like everything is like memed and kind of turned into a joke. So it's kind of like we're laughing through the pain a little bit. I really don't know. It's like, Jam, what's up, family? How you doing? I can't believe they were able to do it so quickly without the. Hey, for real. It's like, yo, they came in. They're like, yo, we just did this. And it's like, hey, it doesn't even matter that you know now, cause we just did it. What you gonna do about it? How did the Robo Taxi launch? I didn't watch it. I mean, I guess it's going well. Like just looking at Tesla's stock, like it broke right at open, and it's up 7.4 on the day, almost $24. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. One thing I will say though, I'm just kind of looking at some of the trade suggestions and stuff. I'm seeing a lot of swings for like puts on the Qs, the SPY. Apple actually has. Oh, it's a day trade. I was gonna say Apple actually has a call, but honestly, Apple is in that area where it's like I can see it push a little bit, but there's liquidity here. So after this, if it doesn't keep running to like I guess this 204.50, 205 area, I think it's coming on down. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, they got calls on Palantir. They got puts on Walmart. I watched a video on the Austin Tesla robo-taxi ride. They look very smooth, not going to lie. Technology sounds way more updated than... Interesting. Honestly, I'll probably have to look at that. Oh, A&D's at that level I was talking about. Shorting that. Yeah, I think this is a good swing on AMD too. Here, let's see. Let's see. Nah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna let y'all know I really want to grab a short, but I'm using my challenge account right now. I don't want to use that extra money that I have to get the AMD short, so I'm just going to leave it alone. But I want to say, like a swing on AMD for downside right here looks really good to me. That's all I'm gonna say. That's like I got the SPY. Honestly, SPY and AMD look good to me. But yeah, AMD, yo, it hit the entry I was looking for. Okay, let's see. How to find entry cost options to trade if you're starting. I got a video that is exactly that. So I probably like 2 videos actually. So first one is going to be right here. That's like kind of understanding the options prices. That's like a little 11-minute video. And then when it comes to actually picking the options contracts, this one's like a 9-minute video. And I think that's a straight fire right there. Oh, let me add that put I got to my watch list. And I want to watch list an AMD put as well. Just so I can be like, oh, what would have happened if I got that instead. So here, let's see. I was looking at the third, and I think I was looking at this one. So yeah, we got that there. And then one more. What is it? Picked up a SPY put. It expired on the 7th. It was a 585. There we go. Kind of keep watch on those. LMT is acting wild, Warmonk. Here, let's see. Yeah, typically stuff like LMT gotta get that stuff before, or like when you first like start thinking. But honestly, it probably will end up moving higher. It's just because I do think we will hear more news, but honestly, it's kind of chilling here. If I were really trying to benefit from it, I would pick it up here. I'm not going to, but I would if I were like looking at it like that. Doing nicely, lots of buy and sell opportunities. 21 EMA about to cross the 200 on the day chart. You mean like daily? Here, let's see. I used a 13 in the 200, but let's see. Yeah, so that had already been. Oh, wait, this is a 15-minute. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, so the 13 already crossed. But what I would look for is like a retest of at least the 13. So I would just want the pullback. We don't need it to fall out of the sky, but yeah, I would think we get some kind of pullback. You're welcome. Very, very welcome. Let's see. AEVA, SMR. So on the day, the SPY, if we ignore the trend lines that I have, the SPY confirmed on the, like just with support and resistance. Oh yeah, AEVA kind of taking off. They popped off. They've been popping off since open. The SMR. They kind of did something too. But look at Tesla go. All right. Saw something about Iran holding a meeting with Russia. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what things escalate to. Yeah, I'm not here too much for speculation. I'm just here to kind of react. Kind of see how things go in the moment. Oh yeah. I'm seeing these I'm seeing more puts pop up. So I'm just I feel like they're trying to draw us into the cause, but we'll see. Since I'm back, I just need you to repeat the last 12 minutes. If you need me to repeat the last 12 minutes, I know it's a joke, but if you sincerely needed me to, hey, just take that little bar at the bottom where you got the little timeline, slide it back 12 minutes. You can even put it on 2x speed if you want. I got you. Anytime you need to repeat, just, hey, slide it back. If you want to come back to being live, go on. If you want to hear everything I said, just and end up catching back up, just slide it back, throw it in 2x speed, and then eventually when you hear me slow down, you'll be live again. Here, let's see. Spy looking like it does not want to. Hey, I'm cool with that. Well, it's already above 597. Honestly, it's still progressing to me. Do you have a video on learning to read? Yeah, I have a playlist that I think will kind of get you up to speed with where I am, but it's like the main thing is just going to be practice. So it'll like show you most everything you need, but you also going to need to practice. So here, I'll link the playlist, or here, actually, let's pull it up.
So much cleaner already. And moving on.
All right, so here, let me share the link, and then let me explain it real quick. All right, so that's the link to the playlist. And then I'm taking a look at it. This is going to be the playlist. So this is the first video. This video is, I was nice enough to put like the chapters and stuff. So starts up with like how to set up the charts. Then I show, I guess, still how to set up the charts. Like this is sections how to set up like the tools and stuff I use. Then I go into like good stocks to trade. Then I go to like understanding candlesticks, trend analysis, very important. Then get into how to draw trend lines, analyzing the trend on the chart, like with actual charts. And then let's see. This is like understanding risk versus reward. So this is kind of like planning your trades out and realizing like, is this trade I'm looking at even worth it? I would say this is very important. It's like next I go into like where to put your stop loss if you have one, where to take profits, talk about what brokerages I use, where I get my stock news. Like, so this one's kind of like very helpful for all that. But if you go on in the playlist, this one goes into how I swing trade. This is a video on just like how to actually trade options, watch lists, then how to set a stop loss on Robinhood, because a lot of people do it wrong. So I had to make this one. This one will help you actually understand options pricing. Honestly, this video could serve to not be in there just because I kind of have it in the first one already. But then the hack for finding the perfect strike price, I feel like this kind of ties it all together, because the biggest thing for people I see a lot is they don't know exactly what strike to go for. And it's like the best strike for me may not be the best strike for you, and vice versa. So that's what that link is. I highly recommend checking it out. 2x speed Matt is an experience. I'm gonna be real. Anytime I watch one of my videos, it's in 2x speed. To me, like listening to myself, I think I talk like slow. And it's chill. Like it's chill. And it's like if I try to talk fast, like I just stumble all over my words. So I need to talk slow. But it's like me, the way I take stuff in, I take it like the way I listen to things. When I learn, I can like listen to things at a higher speed. So oftentimes I'll listen at 2x speed for things. They also have like 3x speed now on, like, if you have YouTube Premium, they have like higher speeds, and I'm just like, I'm not pushing up to those speeds, but it's like, oh, okay. Sometimes 2x speed is like, oh, I could listen to this faster. All right, so now, oh, it's a scalp. I was about to say, now they got a put coming in on Tesla. Honestly, I wouldn't even try to go for that put. They said it's a scalp. Mm-mm. You get the reversal right away. 38 lurkers up this. Oh, hey, family. To all the lurkers out there. To everybody just chilling. That has not. There is a smash button. Or there is a like button. It does enjoy being smashed. And my sources tell me there are at least 20 of you that have been holding out and decided not to smash, tap, change. I appreciate you, Philip. Okay. Watching silver as well. It's at 1 hour resistance. Is it call time? No, I'm selfish. 2x. That's a good idea. I talk in 2x. So here, let's see. All right, what is it? Oh, you said silver. Let's see. On the 1 hour. I mean, it looks like it found support, and it looks like it's filling in a gap to the upside. That's all I gotta say, though. The BRICS nations are meeting in Rio for what insiders are calling the the public unveiling of their plan to fundamentally restructure the global. I feel like there have been so many of these plans. Honestly, it'll probably eventually happen, but it's like, yo, you got so many people trying to take it away from the dollar. 2x is a game changer on YouTube. You said pause. Yeah, I actually did pause when I was speaking general news, because I was like, oh, hold up. This is like the way I'm talking is a little too sus. So it was gonna get more sus what I was saying, but I like paused and I was like, oh, yeah, let me say it a little bit differently. Hey, have a blessed day, Mahishu. Appreciate you stopping by as always. Thank you very much. Anil, are you any trades today? I got a 585 put on the SPY that expires on the July 7th. That is the trade I got today. Thank you. Totally a beginner focused on when to enter. Hey, yeah, that first video, honestly, it'll I'll say should take you pretty far. I'm not gonna lie, it's very long to watch. I would have to break that up into multiple sessions. I'm not just gonna sit and watch that in one session, unless it's like early morning and like people aren't awake, cause my phone be blowing up. Be having to leave it on do not disturb. But let's see. Oh, hold up. Think I forgot to pay my bill. No. No, I didn't. Why am I getting this mail then? Okay. Hey, we chilling, we chilling. You said I'm weak. Did you say you bought a... Yeah, I bought a put on the SPY. It like expires 2 weeks from today. If the SPY wants to start falling today, or if we open up tomorrow, I just want like... Honestly, I expect to be out of it by the end of the day. I would think I can get my 10% from this. But what I want to do is I would like to see it catch some momentum, and then I would like to set a trailing stop loss into some momentum. So it's like I'm looking for 10%, but if it wants to pick up some steam and keep going, yeah, I'll take that. I will take that momentum. Like honestly, even if it wants to come back to support, I entered about around like 597. So a $5 move. It's like I only wanted to make like 50 or so from the trade, like 50. That's just my goal for this level of the challenge. But like if it goes all the way to the bottom, it should. Well, first off, it's gonna go up more than that because it's getting closer to the money, and it's gonna have momentum. But yeah, that should be at least like 140 instead. SPY should be sub 590 by 3 p.m. Hey, I'd love to see that. And I would love to see that without any pullbacks to the upside. That way, when I set my trailing stop, it can just go. But may not be the case. Honestly, the reality is they'll probably stop me out. But it is what it is. Hold up, let's see. What was I about to do? Oh, hold up. No, I forgot something. Wait, hold up. You started thinking about getting into coke. So honestly, I'm not like the biggest expert on coke. And it looks like it's kind of moved a lot already. Oh wait, this is 1 hour. Oh, honestly, maybe. Yeah, it's at the lower end of its range. It could. Yeah, looks all right. Has potential. Not sure which platform you're using, but if not, Weeble go get free stocks with referral on his Weeble videos. Honestly, I'm gonna probably have to. I downloaded Weeble. Was it Thursday or Friday? Honestly, I might have to do a desktop. I want to like react or like get on and like set up Weeble because Y'all say it has the tool now. I don't want to do it on stream. I want to like make a video for it because I still have old videos that people like comment on and ask me for stuff on. I'm like, oh yeah, let's make a new one. And if they have it, I might start using it again. We'll see. Tesla on a rocket ship. What goes up will come. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna come back. Let's see what it looks like on a 4 hour. Oh, honestly, there's some liquidity up at 355. That might be the short point on Tesla. Yeah, that might be the move for a short. Cause honestly, we just got the break. I'm not sure if we'll get the retest, but it would be in order. No, I didn't get a day trade on the SPY. I got 2 weeks of time on the SPY. I would like to get out of this trade today on the SPY, but go in. I didn't go in the SPY saying, "Oh, this is going to be a day trade." It's like I got 2 weeks worth of time because I know, things don't necessarily move right away. Ideally, it's like, oh, I got the best entry, but clearly, I didn't get the best entry because it's pushed past where I entered. So I just want the reversal. Like I would like it to retest its lows for the day. That would be kind of nice. KTOS, defense stock up almost 8% on the day. Here, let's see. You said KTOS. I was thinking Coke Thinkorswim. Here, let's see. Mike, top of the morning. Took a SPY call, but sold too soon. Just sat there and watched it keep ripping. I know how that goes. Let's see. Yeah, it be like that sometimes. Well, hopefully it doesn't rip anymore. Sometimes you get left behind when you get off the train. Majada Gator, good morning. Could I still get in this SPY swing? I'm down on it right now, so it would be a better entry than I did. So this is the put I got. Is this 585 that expires on the 7th? I got in at 331 per share. It is currently at 313 per share. So I was like, not financial advice, but hey. But that AMD that I called out that I was saying I wish I got, hey, it's up. So added it at, I guess, wait, where would I add it at? Added at 328. And also in the charts, just to show y'all, this red line, this is where the entry for that trade was. And look at it now. Honestly, the move is made on AMD. That's already hit my goal. So I could set my stop now if I were in this trade. But it is what it is. If they all just want to start coming down now, I won't be mad. Will not be mad. Alani, good morning. Very good morning. Look at AMD go. Glad I didn't go for that first one I was going for though, because I was like, oh yeah, there's some liquidity there too. I was like, yeah, I don't want to just hop in off that one. Then it pulled up here. I was like, this one seems right. Trenton, good morning. All right, we got to ask the poll now. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Do we say red, green, and then we will say break even. I know which one I'm voting for. Why do you think the SPY is dropping to 592? Oh, that's just the range on the day. So it came in and made this low, like pre-market. This 592.09. It doesn't necessarily have to go all the way down there, but it'd be really nice. Most times you get a full test of the range throughout the day. We already came up and hit up. So, hey, why not let us come down too? And then also, oftentimes they will try to send us one way before sending us another. We kind of had our time to go up today, but honestly, things don't look too hot. There's a lot of fear. Here, let's actually check out the little fear and greed index. See where we're. Oh, it says we're neutral. Oh, it says previous close is neutral. Okay. All right. Well, there's that. Another check on AMD. That AMD's up 17%. Yeah, that's solid already. Red all day today for close. Yeah, I think that would be good. Tesla's still like going up towards that level of liquidity, but beyond that, yeah, I'm kind of with D's curve. I would like to see Tesla hit that level of liquidity first. That would make me feel a lot more comfortable as opposed to if it just started going down right now. I need Palantir to go ahead and ride this wave up. I think I saw like some for Palantir for upside. I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's a day trade, but it's a call on Palantir. Oh, Palantir is already well above that level though. It was at what time was this at? This was like almost an hour ago. Yeah, Palantir. Yeah, it looks like it's riding the wave. This is kind of the situation anyway. Tesla can go ahead and hit my limit order. Shoot, that would be nice. Yeah, Tesla go on, pull back to 220 again real quick. These commercials are not called for. What kind of commercials you just get? Yeah, Google just be throwing them in. Also, I'm not one to discourage. What is it? I'm not one to discourage, you chatting, because I actually like you chatting in the chat. But like the kind of consensus is the more that you chat in the chat, the more likely you are to get an ad on YouTube on these live streams. If the more likely are you to get an ad like towards you on these live streams if you don't have like YouTube Premium or anything like that. So that's, I would just say keep that in mind if they're like coming at the worst times, because I know YouTube is they're trying to send out the non-skippable ones now. Yeah, I agree. I'm not buying the market closing bullish. Can see people selling out of fear today. Honestly, I don't even think it necessarily needs to be like retail or whatever. I think it's crazy that the institutions can just sell whenever they want. And it's like, oh yeah, we'll let them think it's fine all day. We'll let them think, oh yeah, we're gonna push up, and then when the market it comes back, it's like, yo, they just drop it like a rock. I'm back from the stock mountains. Stock mountains. Did you go to some real mountains? Or did you just drop? Oh, dip buying. Okay. All right. Okay. Rocket Lab had a nice little move. Let's see. Let's check the RKLB. Okay. Had a little consolidation and a little takeoff action. Okay. Yeah, usually YouTube usually sends a commercial when you say something really important, then have to. Yeah, that's bro, I don't know. This is honestly the AI, whatever algorithm, AI, whatever they are using, it sounds like it's pretty good. Cause they like to like draw you in and then just, I don't know. It's like leaving a TV show on a cliffhanger, or like ending a season of something on a cliffhanger. Where are you from, sir? I am from West Palm Beach. Oh, that sounds nice. Um, from I guess Dallas. Wasn't born here, but I was raised here. AI has been tricking me lately. IDK was real anymore. Bro, yeah, I see like the craziest things for AI now. And now it's like the things I see, I'm like, yo, um, honestly, like a lot of it's just like conceptually just so like out there that that's how I know it's AI. And then like I'll look at like the comments on whatever it is, and then someone will be like, "Oh yeah," and then also there was this going on. I'm like, "Oh, there is that." But normally, if I watch the video, I wouldn't be looking for whatever that extra thing was anyway, though. Like I think today I watched like there was like a cow on like a airline flight, and it was just like staring at somebody, and they're like, I don't know, it was like it's staring at me like I'm the thing that's not normal here. But then somebody commented something like, I noticed, I knew it was AI when I saw the head in like the overhead kind of place where you put the luggage. I was just like, oh, okay, completely missed that. But I was like, yo, this cow on an airplane has to be AI. All right, Tesla has hit that liquidity level. Ideally, like once again, we're on the 4 hour time frame, so it could still push a little bit further here if it's going to sweep. But it's like maybe it goes a little bit further here, and then, yo, this is honestly. Let me see if there's anything. Honestly, it's probably still too expensive, but let me see if there's anything like on the cheap, like real cheap. No, it's not even like a Thursday or anything, so probably not. But let's see. It's the cheapest put I can get. I don't know. Yeah, that's not happening. But yeah, if I were trying to short, I would take my entry here. But also, I would still understand there's good risk to it too. Just sold out a Palantir up 100, but probably let's see. Let's take another look at Palantir. Oh yeah, it still has good momentum. Oh, but there is some liquidity over here too at this. So it's pretty close at about 142.22 or so. Don't forget TSLL. Here, let's see what their chart looks like too, because they should be like the same but a little different from Tesla. All right, SPY selling off a little bit, nothing crazy, still higher than where I bought it. So yeah, this is why I like when y'all ask me to do like the chart for TSLL, I say I have to go off Tesla, because if you look at TSLL, the liquidity that I'm targeting on Tesla would have been 1507 on TSLL, but because TSLL is a decaying asset, like it kind of has less value over time. So it's like when you trade TSLL, it's usually best to get closest to the money and just go off of what Tesla's chart is doing. So like usually, like if you're looking towards downside, the fact that it's a decaying asset, you have that in your favor. But beyond that, it's like when you're making moves to the upside, you want to make sure like it's going to the upside. All right, so the SPY is actually higher than it was when I bought it by a little bit, but I'm like break even on like where I entered. So that's a good place to be. What's going on? Tesla stock pops 10% as Musk touts successful robo-taxi Austin launch. Okay, we just got news on Tesla, so honestly, this would also be a good point for it to sell off too. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Let's just watch and see how it goes. I was gonna place Zeta and KTOS. All right, so we looked at KTOS, but let's see what's up with Zeta. Okay, Zeta kind of popping off. Let me check out my interactive brokers. I feel like I need a nap. What about Alphabet Class A? Google. What about it? Like what are we getting at here? They're at a level of support. What kind of lens are you trying to look at Google through? I like that. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing in the stock market. It's not anything I made up, but it's a thing. Google got hit with that $4.7 billion fine. Honestly, it's just I see 4.12, but hey, numbers are just numbers. Alphabet's Waymo seeks a self-driving taxi permit in New York City to expand its autonomous ride-hailing services. All right, we got the SPY selling off a little bit more, but we'll see if it can get back below 597. What's that saying? Oh, but yeah, with Google, honestly, I would. Oh, hold on. What's up? With Google, would. I would just see it as a dip buying opportunity, especially since it's like over here in overbought territory now. It really just depends on what you're looking for. Um, I like pullbacks on Google. Like it does still look like it needs to pull back more, but it's oversold. You said, is it a buy or a sell? The answer to that is yes. It really just depends on like what your timeline is and what your goals are. It's like it's personal finance for a reason. Each person's situation is personal. Like if you're trying to day trade it, I wouldn't necessarily try to sell it right here. But also, I wouldn't do anything with it where it's at. I would need to wait and get more information. It already looks like it's sold off because of the news. So that's not anything I would try to like hop in on now. Did we get a yeah, we got a pump to start today. Yeah, we definitely started off with the thing. I think over the long term, Google is straight money, especially if you get it at these levels. Yeah, I feel like I need a nap. Oh. All right, let's see a spy. Come on, pull on back. Do it for us. Hey, one more. Hey, one last time. Is there anyone out there who can come through? Oh shoot! Hey, we just need one person. Smash that like button. We're free. All right. Okay. Catalyst is not one of those stocks that I'm like I need to, but the dip. Honestly, Google. I think Google is an amazing stock at these prices. It's like yeah, they keep getting hit. They have a lot against them, but like they have like one of the best balance sheet. They're like honestly probably the like amongst all the Fang stocks or not. I guess they're not Fang anymore. The Magnificent Seven. They're like the cheapest like for what they make. Let's see. Get some rest. Oh yeah, I might take a nap. I might just need to eat some food too. I don't know. Yeah, I might just need like a snack or something. I really don't know. Sometimes my exercise catches up to me. Everyone keep oil prices down. I'm watching. You're playing right into the hands of the enemy. Don't do it. I think it's gonna go back up. All right, so now hey, officially back up on that spy put. This is the first time the spy has been lower from where I bought it. So hey, let's go. Lucky J, what's up? What's up? What's your take on? I'm assuming you mean sound like SOUN. Um, I mean it's just something to trade. I don't really trade it. It has a lot of hype to it. It's not anything that um it's not anything I'm looking at. And I don't think I take interest in it again until it's like around like at least like sub 8. But it's honestly, there are probably other things I would take interest in before this. If it wants to come back to like maybe like the $4 or $5 area, I might be a little bit more interested in it, but it's not really one that piques my interest like that personally. Just because there's like so much else out there. No Alcatraz today, yes sir. Bought into U.S. oil last week at 70. I think I checked this morning; they were at about 84 or so. So hey, that's good, Jam. That's good. Hey, Lucky J, love the energy. I had forgotten the like button. Just clicked. Hey, appreciate you, mommy. Appreciate you. Looks like there are about 5 or 6 others with you too that have forgotten. Refresh. We go up on the likes. Yes, sir. That's how we like to see it. All right, so Spy is coming back to test what was previously resistance. Okay. This is what we like to do. As of right now, taking a look at Tesla, it's looking like there's the potential for it to actually be liquidity. We'll kind of see. It's like if it is liquidity, it's like I might look for maybe 336, 337 as like if I'm trying to look for somewhere for it to go and I thought I was going to make big money. It can keep going. Understand that, but that's just I would say if this is a sweep of liquidity, that's where I would probably look to. Yes, thank you all, family. You too, Lucky J. I'm liking this candle on the Spy though. Really liking it. But yeah, that AMD would have had me there quicker. The AMD's up like 70%. But the things can heat up with the Spy too. Okay, Spy is back at that resistance. Using it as support now. All right, I see some GLD calls that went in. Let's see how the day develops. Thinking about a quick sell on XAUU. Oh, that's the gold. Okay. Is it running right now? Oh yeah, it's moving. How's that look in comparison to? Okay. Okay. Definitely something to think about. Hmm. We're looking like on the 30 real quick. Let's see. Okay. All right. All right. Trying to pull back up a little bit. See what goes on here. Looking at Palantir, looks like a D scurve, not D scurve. Big Reg got out at the right time. You also get in and take a look at Robinhood as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a no go. All right. Dang, circle trying to go crazy. I enter this over here. They still trying to run it up on circle. It's crazy. Did you change your candle colors to... Yep. Yeah, it's like all the red and green. Oh yeah, that's bad for my psychology for sure. Like it's like you see red and you think like danger. Like think of like those bulls that like charge all the red. Like, yeah, it's not associated with good for me. You see that red, it's like stop. Puts my body in fight or flight. All right, SPY trying to push back up a little bit. I am back down on the put I entered. I heard about that, but I figured I might forget which one was green or red. I don't know. So the way I do it is usually the whatever is the darker color is going to be the one that's for going down. So it's like yeah, if it's coming down, it's going to be the darker color, and usually the lighter color for me is. But it's like I might have other settings where I might here, let's see. I have like other I think templates. So like I also have this one right here. This one's like black and white. Whereas the one that's coming down is filled in with, I guess, kind of black. And the green is white. I don't really like looking at this that much though, but it's something. Then got it with the orange right here. But yeah, that's my favorite one though. Yeah, nothing set in stone. Oh, let me get off BBAI before I get a bunch of random questions about it. People see it on my screen, think I'm like trading it or something. I'm not trading BBAI right now. Big Bear. All right, let's see if there are any headlines anywhere. Seems like we're very much so chilling. Let's see. Oh, that's what I was doing. Hey, sometimes I get on my phone, I forget what I'm doing. Okay, Kathy Woods loaded up on AMD, but offload Circle. Yeah, let's get off. Let's get rid of Circle, please. Go on, sell it off. Oh yeah, that AMD was money though. It went there right away. Let's manipulate it. Yeah, 20%. Okay, definitely hit the goal. Yeah, Spot's trying to push back up a little bit, or not just a little bit. All right, let's see. News, latest. I don't see anything major. Anyone here between 18 and 20 years old? I might be 18 plus 20 years old minus 10. Yeah, but I feel like we got some people that are between 18 and 20 years old here. Circle up 800% in 18 days. Yeah, that is wild. How do I feel about BlackBerry? I have no feelings about them. I know they have earnings, but I don't really feel anything about them. They move weird, so I don't even really know how to like chart them. They don't get the volume for like the way I do technical analysis. It doesn't work with BlackBerry, so I gotta say you're on your own when it comes to BlackBerry. Appreciate you, K man. Please, appreciate y'all, family. ED Silver, Big Rez, K man, Trenton, M Sense. Oh, I'm between 18 and 100. Appreciate you, Logie J. They have a lot of baggies. Are you talking about BlackBerry? All right, AMD is yo, it's looks like it's trying to get below this trend line. Still got some. Wait, this is a 15-minute. Is this where we opened? Yeah. Yeah, we'll see if AMD can. Yeah, AMD's at the trend line. They might be able to make it back to support. Yeah, it would have been nice if I held out for that AMD trade I was originally eyeing. Yeesh. Yeah, it's up like 28% almost. Okay. Yeah, let's so we do have a trend line on the SPY today. We'll break it at some point. Are the lower EMAs good on lower time frames or the opposite like the 8? Lower EMA good on lower time frames or the opposite like the 8s or the 20. So I personally use a 13. Honestly, I think it comes down to what you like. I think it just comes down to I don't know. I would say you have to look. I use the 13, but it's like it's not I don't know. EMAs are weird. They're kind of like moving support and resistances, but like looking at the 13 EMA on the 5 minute, it does not look like it matters at all. Um, I guess it just depends on. I think it's gonna depend on your strategy, honestly, because some people trade with like the cross. Like usually, the people I know on the lower time frames, they will like exit a trade on the cross of an EMA. But I really, really cannot say. I think it just depends on what your strategy is. Appreciate you, Southern Magnolia. Go TSLL. Let's see how Tesla's holding up. Yeah. Core Weave, think it's gonna go back to 150? Yeah, eventually. I have myself wanting to pull it back or wanting it to pull back to 130. So yeah, I would think so. I can use a 50 EMA on a 1 minute. Works well with the hiking IC candlesticks. Yeah, EMAs like Warren Buffett news. Yeah, really just kind of once again depends. All right, Tesla trying to still trying to like push that EMA a little bit. Or not EMA, but that level of liquidity. Yeah, AMD. Oh, they look like they're trying to go. Let's see. Yeah, 105 on AMD. Wish I would have taken that. That's a clean move right there. Straight off that sweep of liquidity. Was it like 4 hours? No, this. No, what's crazy? I don't even think. Oh, I think I'm. Hold up. Yeah, the nature of the move was different anyway. Here, let's actually. See something with this SPY. Yeah, this is a good short on the SPY. They just like to play more games with it. Where is here? Let's see. Last time. Oh, this was like violent last time. It was like Friday at market open. AMD put is looking good right now. Yeah, those AMD puts are yeah, they kind of ran up. Dang, if I hadn't taken this SPY put earlier, yeah. The stop loss would have been on those. I don't think I would have been stopped out either. This would have been a big jump for the challenge. Yeah. Let's see. Go back to a 15. Let me check news real quick. What's it today? And we just got some Fed speakers. TP. Are you saying take profit? What's TP? There are too many abbreviations, too many things that can mean. That can mean toilet paper. Isaac, good morning. What else could that mean? Toilet paper. Almost like the most relevant thing I would say. It might be like take profit. Hey, toilet paper. It's like, oh, you say yes. So the AMD, it is like it would be a swing, but it's like, yeah, there's liquidity right here, so that would be like kind of an area target to take profit right there. Yeah, it's right here. It is a good take profit area. Because I could see it moving more before it goes back up or before it comes back down. I would still expect it to move down more, but I could see it like retracing to the upside a little bit before coming down. So I think it would be a good spot for toilet paper. Or taking profit, my bad. Need to lower my... There we go. Make that a little lower. All right, Tesla's trying to do some more pushing. But we still got like, I guess like 40 minutes on the 4 hour though. Said nah. Why is Tesla stock rocketing higher today? Oh, you said catch them Z's. Oh yeah, probably will. Unless too much excitement occurs when I get off stream. Sometimes, stuff just happens. I'm like, oh, yeah, maybe I'll sleep later. We'll see. The Apple on Friday, I had looked at it later. I was like, that thing kept going. I was like, yeah. Actually, I want to go back and look at that. I'm not sure if I do have it kind of charted a little bit. So look, I think I had maybe said it would come up and sweep this high. So entry was, looking back to Friday's trade, entry was like right here at 196.94. I think I was trying to get to like 199, but I saw it hit the number I needed to hit like right there. So just took profit. But when it came to it actually hitting the level that I said it would hit, it looks like it did it like right before the end of the day. But yo, when I looked at the contracts, I was like, yo, those things. You said SPY going up or coming down? I lean heavily towards SPY coming down. It is still kind of riding this trend line right now, but heavily towards it coming down. It might go up and make a second high. Like I could see it going up and retesting this 598.30, maybe pushing a little higher if it doesn't just come down right here. But I lean towards SPY coming down because lot of reasons, but yeah, I lean towards SPY coming down. They just like to fake us out. And that's what this seems like to me. So, let's all right. Okay, so AMD, now I'm looking at it, has gone and hit the level of like sweeping. So me personally, if I were in it, I'd be out. So that probably would have been a 35% trade. If I had gone like when I'm at the size where I can get multiple contracts, I might still have some runners with a trailing stop or something, but at this point I would have been out. I'm waiting for SPY to retest that high so I can take a put. Let's see if they do. That's like that'll be like the perfect spot in my opinion, but I would like to see it just kind of pull back and do its thing now. But did we? It might not do it, but hey, it the way they like to play games, I would say there's a solid chance it could happen. All right, hey, it's back. It's touching the trend line. We'll see what happens here. SPY selling off a little bit. I'm back in the green on that put once again. It's still above the 13 EMA, but it's at the trend line right now. So we'll see what that means. Tesla is below that liquidity, so still like it could be finding liquidity right now. I would love to see beginning of some offward selling. Is this a good spot for TSL output? So in my eyes, if you're gonna take one, yes, this would be one. Cause there's liquidity here, but we'll see what Tesla wants to do. Here, let's go. Yeah, like right now, it's still looking like it has potential. I've seen Tesla kind of like crush hearts in situations like these before, but yeah, this would be a good area to do it. I'm in the green on my AMD put, but a part of me wants to hold till tomorrow. Uh, Honestly, I can see it doing well, Big Reg. I honestly feel like there will be a heavy sell off. It's like on AMD, if I had to like market structure the movement, so we just got this move down right here. So it's like I can see it maybe pulling back up to this range and selling off, and that's worst case. Kind of looking at it, but you got this 13 EMA. Let's see where the 48 would be. Oh, that's actually below this, but it can keep selling off on the but on yeah, even like looking on the 5 minute. Here, let's forget that what I just drew, but like looking at the 5, you got the 13 and the 48 EMAs about to cross to the downside. So if we're looking at this on the 5 minute, we pull back up to this I guess kind of 130.75, and then see if we still kind of continue on. Like that would be kind of like the bounce back down area. All right, so we are now slightly below this morning's resistance on the SPY. That's kind of good a little bit. Yeah, we're in the green now. Okay, let's go SPY. So right now it's looking like we broke the level, but also we're at the 13 EMA. So we'll see how we take to this level. Yeah, AMD selling off a little bit more. SPY put in the green. We like to see that, but okay, now it's trying to hold up at that pre-market resistance. Yeah, we'll see what happens. It's a hard fought battle. That's all that's going on right here. And it'll be extra nice if it like crosses below the 200 EMA on the 5 minute on AMD. That would be nice right there. VIX hasn't really done much yet. So it like spiked up to like what, 22? Don't really have enough fear yet. Honestly, I could see the VIX going higher. All right, spies at this level of resistance again, holding up its support at the 13 EMA. Looking like it wants to continue on a little bit. We'll see what happens here. Right now we got like almost like a little spinning top of a candle. AMD. Yeah, AMD is approaching that level of support. Oh yeah, that AMD went 140 now. 42%. Look at it go. Still got the top on the SPY, little spinning top. Yeah, we like that. Here, let's see. Okay. All right, so SPY is below resistance now. Now it's at resistance. It's just teetering around right now. We haven't necessarily confirmed below this trend line yet. We're still just chilling here. And Tesla is up just under 10%. All right, SPY trying to hold out. I'm looking over to the left. I'm seeing the AI is trying to put in for swing calls on Rocket Lab. To those of you that like to trade Rocket Lab, just letting y'all know. Closed out gold call 0DT. Hey, good stuff. 30%. Hey, we like it. Hey, if we can keep compounding at 30%, yo, the world would be a better place. At least according to D-Scurve. Yes, indeed. But yeah, we're just trying to hold here right now. It's a battle. It's a battle. Hydrate a little bit. Oh yeah. I like the look of that. Come on. Let's do it. Could you imagine 30% daily gains? Wow. Yeah, that's almost 2xing every about every 3.5 days or so. That would get insane. That would get crazy. All right, come on, SPY. Hold on, let me message my wife real quick. Oh, hold up. Yo, we are really like the SPY is really trying to hold up at this level. What we looking like on wrong. Oh yeah, that 10-minute on AMD looking nice. We look like on a 5. Let's see. It's at the third. Okay, on the 5, we're still. That's lined up with the 40-80 EMA. Below the 13, but above the 48. Can we get below the 48? What do you say about Rocket Lab? I was just saying this AI is showing like a swing for Rocket Lab. It's saying that it'll have a bullish move in the within the next 5 days. It doesn't mean it's going to take 5 days for the move, but it's saying that it should see more bullishness, but also it grades it and it says it's like an F. But I still see like sometimes the F's still doing their thing. He said that would be pretty awesome. Bro, I don't even know what I would be doing if I compounded at 30%. Like, yo, let me run the challenge with the 30% compound interest instead of the 10. So we start here. We'll start with 52 for 52 weeks. Let's see. Bro, $50 compounded at 30% for 52 weeks. Hold on, let me make sure that that's 42. That's 42 million. Starting with $50 for 52 weeks. Wait, let me make sure I saw that right. Hold up. Okay, these are thousands. Yeah, that's a million. That's wild. Okay, hey. We are below that line. Let's see. Okay, yes. I like this candle. Yes, let's go on. Oh, Apple is below its support now too. Okay. Accuser's still like up pretty high. Oh, that's probably has something to do with Tesla. Honestly, if Tesla wants to chill out, if we want to like get some news selling on Tesla, that'll kind of do our thing. You said that's quite a number right there. Yeah, I had to like double, triple check that number because I'm like, oh, that is You said where are you looking to exit on a spy put? So this is for my my challenge account. So I'm just looking to get 10%. So for me, that would be the contract around like 381. But I might set my stop at 381, and if it's still moving with strength, I might just kind of let it do its thing and like keep moving it as it does its thing. Cuz right now it's at 353. Did a put, made 13, got out because they're playing too many games. One thing I fixed. I'm better. Hey, that's what we love to hear. Gotta learn how to manage our risk. All right, so the spy put is moving up. All right, let's see. Where is? Yeah, let me get ready to. Oh yeah, we're getting pretty close to the goal. If they just wanna. Well, actually, I'm about like. I think I'm like $10 away from the goal. 10 or 11. Let me see what the goal is again. 451 or so. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm like $11 away with what I need to hit. Oh no, I'm more than that away. Just updated. All right, let's see. Circle up 52. Yeah, we talked about circle already. It's like I still got my put on it, but I'm not let me see how much time I got on it. It's like I'm not watching that too closely because yeah, homie, it's going crazy. Well, I got to oh that's dang, that's like 3 weeks. Yeah, we'll see where it is. I'll probably give it a week or so, cause yeah, I think it's about ready to blow, but we'll see. Do you think SPY will go to 592? Yeah, I think they can come lower. It just depends on how fast they want to make that move. They really just be taking their time. Okay. Hey, we got a candle opening up below that 48 EMA. Let's see. We're looking like on the 15. Oh, yeah, we're below that 13 EMA. Yeah, liking this. Yeah, it's looking like it's starting off to be a pretty nice candle. Here, I forgot I need to mark my entry. So here, I think I got in on this candle. Yeah, it's trying to make its way. Let's see it. TSLL first 15, uh, potentially. I mean, if it goes on to make a new low, potentially. I mean, it's made a couple red candles. It's just it needs to have some strengthening ones. Yeah, I don't know if it's coming in. We'll see. Honestly, whenever Tesla decides, hey, we want to pull back, then the market could probably do its thing as well. I think Tesla is kind of one of those things holding the market up right now. So honestly, I'm gonna need Tesla to chill. Elon. Whoa. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's trying to start selling off. It's trying. Oh no, hold up. I'll be right back, y'all. What I miss? Oh, it looks like I didn't miss anything. I wanted to miss something. Come on now. Let's see. Tesla double top on 5 minute time frame. Here, let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll see. It's like, yeah, I would like to see it get below this 13 EMA. Where's the 48 on Tesla? Oh yeah, I'd like to see it pull back to this 48 EMA. I would say there's a good chance of that on Tesla. Where's the 200? That's my question. I would love to see it pull back to the 200. Let's go, Tesla. Come on. Just closed my TSLL sell put for a profit. Going to repeat with another sell put for next. Okay, yeah, get that. Oh, you said sell put. That's cool. That's cool. I want the market to. Oh, yeah, come on. Come on, do it, Spy. I think we need Tesla, though. Trying to get in on the wheel strategy. Hey, as long as you got a plan. All right. Spy trying to sell off a little bit. He's trying a little bit. Can we get some selling volume? Spy coming down, no worries. Oh no, yeah, I'm gonna get it. I would like to get it on stream. But no, they'll probably wait till after. Cause honestly, it'll probably run. Like it'll probably honestly, tomorrow I'll probably be like, man, wish I held that. But also, it's like one thing I've noticed about my psychology with these challenges is like, if I take like a massive kind of win, it's like I want another one. So it's like I try to humble myself and take them before I need them. 155 on SPY puts. Hey, good stuff. Probably got a lower time frame from me, but good stuff. Or honestly, even if you entered up there or higher, that would work too. Watch us wake up and SPY is that. Hey, that'd be cool. I wonder what would be like the major mover for that. Like what stocks would contribute most to it being down? Like what stocks would be the hardest hit? Have a sell call for Joby is down to 1. Is there a way to close before expiration in Robinhood or let it go? If you want to close before, you can buy it back. So if it's down to $1, you just buy it back for 1. Like you shouldn't have a problem buying back a put you sold. So that's the only way to close it though. Gotta pay $1 to get out. You said hate to say it, but no, yeah, I, yeah, that for sure would cause it. I mean like what stock? Like I feel like Tesla being up right now is the market would be down a lot more if Tesla wasn't up like it is today. Like Tesla doesn't have the weight it used to, but it still has enough weight to keep the stock market kind of like hold it up more than it would be. So I'm like, I don't know. It's like if Nvidia drops like $20 and everything else is like just holds, the market's still going to be down a good amount. So I'm just like saying if we fell to 575 or something, I'm like, oh, I wonder what stock would be the main one or which ones would drop us the most. Okay, we're pulling back a little bit. Pulling back a little bit. Got 5 minutes till, I guess, till we roll out. Thanks, but looks like Robinhood. Oh, dang. It's annoying whenever, like, certain stocks only trade in, like, 5 cent increments. That is very annoying. Oh, yeah, we got it. We good. Does adding to your position mean that you're buying more contracts? Usually, yeah. That's like sometimes you could, I mean, it depends on what you are considering your position. Like if you have like a call for $100 and the $100 call strike, like I don't know, you buy more of that contract, then you're adding to that specific strike. But if you have, like, say you just have calls on Nvidia in general, and you bought some at 100, and then you bought some at 120, and it's like it's just adding to what you have. It's like however you frame it, that's up to you. But it doesn't necessarily have to be the same strike price. But most of the time, if I'm adding to my position, it's usually going to be either the same stock or the same strike price. All right, the market is trying to play, so I might just have to let it go. It'll probably do its thing after the fact, after I after we say our goodbyes and whatnot. It's trying to take its time. Here, let's see where we're okay. So looking at the votes, we got 96 votes, 47% of them red. Ooh, 43% green though. That's kind of close. And then 10% break even. Welcome, Israel. Um, Looking at where we are, we're up about $1 on the day. Oh wait, that's on AMD. Let On the SPY, we're up about $1.66 on the day. Oh yeah, I'd love to see us get to at least break even. You said let's get the likes up. Yeah, if we can get the likes up, that's cool. That's cool. But yeah, with that being said, family, hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Peace out, Ryan. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, ED Silver. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Review for Success, Jonathan. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Israel. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Angie B. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, MC Sense. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Jam. Peace out, Master ERC. Elegant Boom. Anella, Anil. Y'all know I'm about to take this nap. Cause I feel like I got to. Yeah, I feel serious need to it. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Matthew Manuel signing off. Peace out, Christine. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Y'all stay blessed. Oh, peace out, Francis. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Y'all stay blessed. See y'all.